Well, this is what it looks like outside my window this morning. It's slightly snowing, but it's not supposed to last or really stick around long. So that's good. Good morning. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am filming the day 1 of Junk Journal January 2024, and it is called Resolutions. I'm coming at this from a new angle, and hopefully I will not be banging into my tripod very much now, and that we're at the right angle on camera. It looks like it to me. So the first prompt was resolutions, as I said, and one of my resolutions is to learn how to relax and just enjoy life. Chill out, you know, that kind of thing. And so, what better way to chill out than being in a beautiful flower garden? So I'm going to have that as my background. This is going to be more like a glue page style. And then I have the back of this person. If you look closely, she has a mask on her face. This was like from a medical magazine. And I'm going to put her there, and she's going to represent me relaxing in the garden. And I have a few words that I had cut out of magazines that I think might work good for this prompt. So let's get started. So if you are not familiar with Junk Journal January, it's just like a challenge put on by Meg Journals, and I'll leave her channel below, and I'll try to leave a link to the prompt list if I can figure that out. But yeah, it's a very fun challenge, but it's a little bit hard to do right after December Daily. So I'm hoping I'll be able to keep up with filming it, doing it and filming it. So there's my background, and I'm going to just kind of, I don't think I see any real wrinkles, so that's good. But I just want to try to smooth it out. And now we're going to put myself on there. I thought about actually taking a picture of myself, but I thought it might take too long. I just want to do it and get it done. So there's me in the garden, and I have right outside my window Magical Journey of Discovery, which I thought would be great since I'm kind of reinventing my life and starting over, sort of. Beauty extends as far as the eye can see. A healing journey. Good things. And Glory in the Garden. Those are all great ones to put on here. I also had thought about finding a quote about starting over. I might still do that, but for now I don't think I'm going to use beauty as far as the eye can see, or healing journey. So I think I'm just going to put Glory in the Garden. I don't even remember what magazines I got these the little word things from. So there's Glory in the Garden. And so this is my resolution, as I think I mentioned. Glory in the Garden right outside my window. I need to trim a little bit. Yeah, my resolution is just to, I have the ability now to relax, but I always feel like I'm on high alert, like when you have a newborn baby. I've felt like that for the last many years since my daughter got sick with brain cancer. And then, you know, had so many seizures and stuff for a very long time, 12 years in fact. Bethany had so many seizures every day, she couldn't even get off the couch. So, my body got used to being on high alert. And a lot of times, I should trim that off too. I think I'm going to cut these words apart. A lot of times I get that feeling of, you know, like the startle reflex. I feel like that all the time sometimes. So I want to not feel like that. I want to be able to chill out and relax. That is my resolution. And I guess in a way that is a healing journey. Maybe I'll put that back on there. Because it has, being on high alert like that has caused some, you know, health concerns for me. Not major, but, you know, stuff I have to keep track of, like my blood pressure and my cholesterol, that kind of thing. So, yeah, that's my resolution, to enjoy life, chill out and relax, and be healthier. Magical journey of discovery, and discover who I am when not being a caretaker. Let's see, I think I lost my word of healing journey. Oh well, it was green, I think. I don't see it anymore. I've lost it. Well, if I find it, I'll put it back. Oh, here it is. Healing journey. Let's go ahead and put that on there. Why not? Because I would like to heal my high blood pressure and my anxiety, my anxiousness, my cholesterol level. And maybe that's a symbolism too for the mask on the face. Didn't think of that. I'm going to put Glory in the Garden right outside my window. Healing journey. And I think I'll save good things for another day. So there we have it. Oh. It's not straight because I'm not straight. I don't think I can. I can't change it now, but I didn't notice it wasn't straight until I turned my book around to be facing me, but that's okay. I'll have to keep that in mind for next time, but I do like not having the tripod right in front of me. So this is day number 1, and I'm debating whether I should write it on here or not, or just let this be my guide. Maybe I'll just put a number on. Let's see. Do I have a number 1? I don't necessarily want gold number 1. Do I have a black number 1? No. I've got a purple number 1, so that should be good. So I think, yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do, is put the numbers on this time. So there's number 1, resolutions. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you are having a great New Year's Day. What are your resolutions or goals that you have for 2024, which sounds weird to say. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And we'll see you again for prompt number 2, which is a quote, which I think should be pretty easy to figure out. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again, hopefully, tomorrow for prompt number 2, quote. Bye-bye.